I think we are doing very good with the COVID 19 situation because of the persistent efforts from the UAE Health Department, public health sectors, and the private health sectors, and because all of us, because we followed the rules and regulations laid by the health authority. But still, the war against the COVID 19 is not yet over. Still, the responsibility and the commitment definitely lies with us. We still have to follow some small protocols and the rules to save ourselves and our family members from the COVID 19. Like, there are very few small steps that you can do to prevent yourself from getting infected. What are the small steps is like washing your hands thoroughly with water and soap for a minimum of 20 seconds, inside as well as the outside of your hand, including the thumbs. What else you can do is regularly sanitize your hands whenever you are in a public place, you are using a lift or opening the doors. Definitely sanitize your hand immediately after you use the doorknobs or the lift buttons. What else you can do, very importantly, is not to touch your face, your nose, your mouth on a very regular basis. You should not touch them frequently, your face. You should avoid touching your face. What is the other small thing that you can do is wear your mask properly. In the ideal situation, even when you're talking to your friends, your colleagues, your mask should be up. Your mask should be worn very properly. It should be snugly fitting your nose bridge here, and it should cover your chin. It's very important, And sometimes, people just wear the mask because they're scared about the fines. We should wear the mask as a responsibility because it is one of the best ways to safeguard yourself as well as the person you're talking to. The social distancing you have to follow, which is very important. What is social distancing? It means that whenever you are in a public place, at least have a distance of 2 meters whenever you are talking. That really helps. When you are at a distance, whenever there is a droplet spread of infection, that can be prevented. Whenever you are going out in a mall, bank, or any public place, or any outsider is coming in your family, you should maintain a social distance. Above all, you must remember the signs and symptoms of COVID-19. Like if you have fever, if you have sore throat, if you feel there is a breathlessness, you have a difficulty in breathing, you must immediately contact your nearest healthcare provider so that they can check you and provide you with the adequate treatment, and you do not miss out on a diagnosis of COVID-19. Never ignore any symptom that bothers you. It is very important that you take care of your health by eating good food, eating healthy food, not taking stress, accepting that there is a problem but not bothering over it. Just follow the guidelines, just follow the rules, and I'm sure that we all will be able to fight against COVID-19.